Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. It is a nice and sunny Friday afternoon here in San Diego. I just want to jump on real quick. And I get a lot of people who ask me, what are the big things that will help you be successful online? And I got to thinking about that. And I got to thinking about what I do and, some people I know that are very successful do. And I would say the first thing is consistency. And a lot of people will tie, what they do, how hard they work, to how successful they are at the moment. And that's really dangerous because for the most part, you're not successful. I mean, I would say 80% of what I do doesn't work out that great. It's just that 20% that does. I do a lot of videos, I do a lot of training, I do a lot of ads, I do a lot of stuff, and most of that stuff doesn't work. And I think that's probably true with most businesses. They're just constantly hammering at it and doing stuff like, I know for sure 80% of the ads I do don't work, but 20% work really, really well. I also know that, I do a lot of training and a lot of videos and try to help people out. And I don't always get a huge audience. But that doesn't matter because overall, if I consistently show up and I consistently do what I'm supposed to do, and I consistently help you guys, then of course I'm going to get results. Now I'm going to add another factor to this. If you're consistent and you're doing it on a daily basis or a weekly basis, whatever you're doing, and you're very consistent about it, but you're doing it wrong, then you won't be very successful, okay? So the next thing I'm going to add is you have to have consistency, but you also have to continually educate yourself. So you have to have consistency and education. If you don't educate yourself on what's working right now, if you don't stop and look around every now and then and see what's going on, that can be a huge mistake. I know this weekend I'm going to be at a mastermind on Saturday and Sunday, and I don't have time to go. I just don't have time. I got too many other things going on. I got stuff going on next week, but I'm still going to go, which means the work that I would normally do on a Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to have to do on Saturday and Sunday night, and I'm going to have to stay up late, and I'm going to have to get up early, and I'm going to have to work on things because I've got webinars scheduled next week. I've got clients coming into town, and I've got to be prepared for all those things. And education is still important, even though I've got all this stuff going on, even though we have a really nice flow of cash, even though, we've achieved a lot, I realize that I still need to educate myself. And showing up at a good mastermind with, top people, I know I'll pick up something. And even if I don't pick up something, maybe I'll share something with somebody else and I can help somebody else. And that would be cool too. So either way it goes, whether I help somebody else or they help me, it's beneficial. And it's beneficial even if you don't learn something from somebody else and they learn from you, because you never know where that's going to end up. You don't know what that relationship will grow into. You don't know, and just if nothing else, the good feeling of helping somebody out is a pretty good thing. I was online last night and somebody was having a hard time with their refunds and had a pretty high refund rate, and we don't because of several reasons. And, they asked me what we did, and I made a video and I sent all this stuff over to them, and I know it'll help. But I didn't receive a response after I gave them all the information. Maybe forgot, maybe didn't see it yet. So don't always think that people are going to bend over backwards and go, oh my God, that's so awesome of you to help me. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they don't even acknowledge that you helped them, but you got to still help people. So my two big takeaways today are consistency. You got to be consistent. You'll see me on here all the time trying to teach you guys stuff about selling stuff online, and education. You have to educate yourself consistently, because even if you learn everything, let's say you learned everything in the world changes tomorrow. So, new things happen tomorrow. So you got to stay on top of those new things, especially in internet marketing and digital marketing and all this stuff. Man, there's just new softwares and new ways of doing stuff and new techniques and new rules, and you just got to educate yourself. So be consistent, educate yourself. And oh yeah, if you don't have a product to sell, go grab my book. www.jrfisherbook.com. You'll find it in the description section. And do me a big favor too. Also type that in the comment section. Type in there www.jrfisherbook.com. The more you do that, the more interaction this video gets, more people see it, more people you help out. And don't forget, share this video to your timeline. Share it to your friends, send it in Messenger, make sure other people see it. That's so important to me doing these videos, is that you guys go out there and share these things. like it, comment, and even if it's not live, go ahead and post your questions in there, because I'll get notified and I can come back and I can answer your questions and I can help you out. Don't forget, go get my book. I know you'll like it. It's www.jrfisherbook.com. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Have a great weekend.